Hello there to everyone, myself Nitoj Nathan and welcome to my channel Accelerams Just Box, जहाँ पे हम कुछ खास डब्बे अनबॉक्स करते हैं। वैसे आज मैं आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ एक पावर बैंक के बारे में जो कि एमब्रेन की तरफ से आता है। हाँ जी, बिल्कुल ही मेड इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट है, जो कि काफ़ी अच्छी बात है। द मॉडल नेम इज PP30 Pro. By the way, it has a massive 27,000 mAh of lithium polymer battery inside. This power bank supports QC fast charging technology with 18 watts of maximum output and input. It supports smart charging, which is a very good thing actually. Smart charge is now all available at every price. The recommended input to charge this power bank is as follows. For charging the power bank, it has a micro USB port which supports fast charge with the maximum voltage input of 5 volts 2.5 amperes at maximum of 18 watt. I guess it will take about 18 hours to get completely charged with the micro USB port. As we can see, there are some cards, a manual, a very big manual. Everything is mentioned in this manual. Whatever your doubts may arise, you can easily get the solution in this manual. As we can see, here is a cable inside the box which is USB A to C, through which you can charge your power bank or you can charge your phone through the power bank. And if we talk about the type C port, it will take about 14 hours to charge. The maximum voltage input for the type C port is 9 volts 2.0 amperes. So I recommend you must charge this power bank with a type C port. The ports available on this power banks are as follows. It has a type C port right here, which supports input and output both. Two full-size USB ports which supports QC 3.0 charging. One micro USB port. If you don't have a type C port, then you can also charge this power bank with this port with the micro USB cable. It do has a flashlight built in inside. The flashlight is enough for a dark room. Not that good, it's just enough for a complete dark room. The price at which I purchased this power bank is $15.99 through Flipkart. So let me describe the weight of this power bank, which is very huge, 518 grams. But it doesn't matter because it has a 27,000 mAh of lithium polymer battery inside. It definitely has to weigh this much. So now let's talk about the output. If you charge your phone through the type C port which is provided inside the power bank, the maximum output this power bank can generate is 9 volts 2.01 amperes, and the minimum voltage it generates is 5 volt 3 amperes. Two full size USB ports built in inside. These two USB ports supports the output of 5 volt 3 amperes at the minimum, 9 volts 2 ampere for the mid one, and the 12 volt 1.5 ampere at maximum. And the maximum output of these both ports, the type C port and the USB port, is 18 watts only. The charging time through USB type C is 14 hours, and the charging time through USB through micro USB is 18 hours respectively. It's the most I can explain for this power bank, and believe me, it has a very beautiful finish. The build quality of this power bank is really good. It do has a beautiful rubberized finish for perfect grip on a surface or in hand. It feels sturdy on hands. The build quality of this product is really good. So I was able to charge my Samsung Galaxy M31s, which has a 6000 mAh of battery inside. I was able to charge it thrice and a half. So if we calculate the total mAh, it will be around 6 into 318, and the half 3 will be around 20. So it is able to generate a 22,000 mAh of output. I was also able to charge my Galaxy A50 with this power bank for about 5 times, 5 complete charges. So I highly recommend you to purchase this. It has a nice and sturdy build quality. It won't disappoint you. It has a massive output, and it has a massive battery built in inside. So I highly recommend you to purchase this. It's also made in India, and I think you should go with this Ambrane power bank because it is much better than that of Chinese power banks available in the market. Whenever you charge your power bank or your phone through this power bank, the fourth indicator of the battery status will turn into blue. That will indicate that the power bank is right now in fast charging mode. The price of this power bank varies from 2200 to 1800 regularly, so you should definitely be careful while purchasing this. It won't support fast charge if you have connected 2 or more devices with this power bank at the same time simultaneously. Also, the device should be capable of fast charging. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा. Thank you so much. See you soon in another video. Be safe and sound. Stay well, stay home.